Good evening, Daisy. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. I've had a good start to my day. I went outside for a coffee. I found a nice bakery. They had some really good snacks inside. And that was the start of my day. What is something fun that happened in your day?
Uh, uh, Today I went to Math Academy, and my academy homework were all correct.
Very good. So, when do you check your academy homework? Do you check it when you get to your academy or do you check it at home?
In the academy.
You check it in the academy. Okay, good. And then this coming weekend, is there any special plan? Do you have something you want to do or go somewhere?
I will go camping.
You and your family like to go camping. You will go camping again. That's nice. Okay, Daisy, anything else you want to share?
Next week, Friday is UN Day.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, so you sound confident. That's good. Do you want to share your speech with me? Let's
Uh,
practice.
From G3, it is not speech, and it is we could choose like invention, convention, club, and like news, telling the news and drama.
So you chose drama.
Yes.
And tell me about your drama, your speech, your script, your play. What are you doing?
Uh, First it was crazy story, but it was changed to wacky story, and it is really wacky and crazy.
And what do you do?
Uh,
What?
First, two narrator tells the trying to tell the story of Little Red Riding Hood, but the Snow White came and say help and hide her, and narrator said go to the seven dwarfs house
Wait,
and
wait, wait. Are
inside
you the narrator? Who is the narrator here?
G5 Stephen and G5
Jane,
Joe.
Joe. And you? What character are you?
I am Snow White.
You are Snow White. Ah. So what lines do you say?
Or like say help and like or say or like go to the seven doors house and like knock and hide me, and like there's a Prince Charming from the Cinderella story, and she said, "There's no." I say like, I heard that Prince Charming was coming. Are you Prince Charming? And like Prince Charming, uh, uh, like like uh like like that Snow White and like Mary and the Phoenix.
So how long is the play? How many minutes?
I think 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes? Oh, that's so long. I wanted you to make a video. Your mom make a video and send it to me. I want to see. I want to watch the play. But 15 minutes is so long. But maybe your mom will take a video, yes?
I think so.
Can you tell her? Mr. Minev wants to take a video. Daisy, Today, I want to talk to you about a eclipse. Do you know what is an eclipse?
Eclipse candy?
So it's not the candy, it is when the moon moves in front of the sun and then we cannot see the sun. That is an eclipse. It looks like this. Maybe you've seen pictures.
Wait. I think I know.
What do you know?
I think what is this in Korean?
I'm not sure what it is in Korean. So, the moon is between the earth and the sun. It is blocking the sun. It's like there is a shade on the earth. A big moon shade. Daisy, can you read for me? Get ready.
Get ready for the solar eclipse when moon and sun form perfect line with earth in a ring of fire.
So what happens is, if I draw the solar system, what is in the center of the solar system? Our solar system. The center of our solar system is the sun. And then we have our earth. And the earth orbits around what, Daisy?
Sun.
Can you make a sentence for me? Say, the earth orbits around the sun.
The earth orbits around the sun. That looks like an egg fry.
Our solar system looks like a fried egg. Daisy, now we have the moon. The moon comes between here. Now the moon is always orbiting around Earth. Like that. When the moon goes between the sun and the earth, this is an eclipse. So for a few seconds, it will go dark. The sun is blocked, and for about 1 minute, there is no sun. It's like nighttime. Do you think it's safe to open your eyes and try to look at the eclipse? Why do you think it's safe?
Because sunlight is very strong when moon like shade like.
So it's not safe. Daisy, it's the same as looking at the sun. Do you go outside and look at the sun with your eyes? No, because you can damage your eyes. Same here. Don't look at the eclipse. You can damage your eyes. So what if we still want to? What if we want to watch the eclipse? We need
cell
to
phone?
Say again?
Like cell phone and take picture.
Well, you can actually use some glasses. You can wear special glasses that will protect your eyes. Special glasses protect the eyes and then you can watch. But otherwise, don't look directly at the sun. Can you say for me? Don't look directly at the sun.
Don't look directly at the sun.
Next is about this drone. Daisy, there is something special about this drone. What is it? Let's read and find out. Can you read for me? Heavy lift drone.
Heavy lift drone can haul 220 pounds of cargo for delivery, aid, or construction companies.
So, what do you think is different about this drone?
It could deliver.
So, the difference is this drone can lift heavy things. Yes, you are right, it can deliver. That's one of the things that it can do. So, take from place to place, this is deliver. What about aid? What is aid? Aid is about medicine, medical aid, helping, emergency, rescue. This is aid, helping. And then construction. What is construction? Daisy, construction is about building things. Building bridges, building buildings, building roads, building things. Right, Daisy, next one is about these Pokemon cards. Can you read for me? Boxes of Pokemon cards?
Boxes of Pokémon cards were almost thrown away but have since raised $50,000 for family.
Daisy, $50,000. Someone was getting ready to throw them away. These old cards. Luckily, he didn't throw them away. He sold them and he got $50,000. If you had these cards, Daisy, would you keep them or would you sell them?
Sell them. I don't need Pokemon cards.
Okay, so you get the $50,000 and what will you do with $50,000?
$50,000 like at 3 zeros and
It's a lot of money. You can buy a car. It's too much money, Daisy.
I will.
I would.
Huh?
I would.
I would buy
I think you would buy a horse.
eh?
I think you would buy a horse. No? I think you would buy a donkey. No? Maybe you would buy some chickens.
My grandma has 7 chickens.
She has chickens, so maybe you would buy some rabbits.
Ooh.
Oh, see, that's a good idea. Daisy, the last one is about Spain. Spain is a country in Europe. The capital city is Madrid. What did Spain do? They sent a rocket to space. One of the first European countries to send a rocket to space. Daisy, do you have your notebook with you? Let's open to a new page and let's write today's date. Today's date is what?
Today date is October 18.
Good, 2023, and we start with the eclipse. Daisy, what is an eclipse?
Eclipse is the scene when the moon is between the sun and the earth.
Good. When the moon is between the sun and the earth. Daisy,
Yes.
I see you are writing, but I also saw your paper is very small.
Hmm?
Is it okay?
Yes, it has very many pages left.
Yeah, but maybe one sentence is on one page.
No.
So small. Okay, number 2. It starts with don't. Daisy, don't do what?
Don't see directly the eclipse.
Don't look directly at the eclipse. Why?
Because it
Because
could damage your eyes.
it can damage your eyes. Yeah, Daisy, it really hurts when you look into the sun. Don't do that. Look into the sun, it burns your eyes.
Oh. But
Daisy,
when I see like accidentally and like see the sun and I sneeze like too
actually,
hard.
you are right. Sometimes it helps me to sneeze. Sometimes I cannot get the sneeze out, and I look a little bit at the sun, and then the sneeze comes out. Daisy, what should we do if we want to look at the eclipse? We should.
We should we we should wear we should wear special glasses that block the sunlight.
Well, it doesn't block all sunlight because we can still see the eclipse. So we should wear special glasses to protect our eyes. Not too bad, right, Daisy? You are okay. Number 4, let's go to the drone. What was this drone doing? What
Uh,
can the drone do?
Drone could lift heavy things and it could deliver.
Lift heavy things. The drone could lift heavy things. Now you mentioned deliver. That's one of the things. So the drone can be used for delivery. What was the other two options? It was for delivery, for aid, or
Construction.
construction. Okay, can you read it for me? Number 5.
Number 5. The drone can be used for delivery, aid, or construction.
Next, the Pokemon cards. Daisy, tell me, what do you know about those Pokemon cards?
Man was trying to throw away the Pokemon cards, but he didn't change them, and he sold it, and he raised 50,000 $50,000.
Good. Someone sold old Pokemon cards for $50,000. Daisy, don't you have some old Pokemon cards we can sell?
Can you wait?
No, I'm joking. Okay, and then the last one is going to be about Spain. Daisy, what did Spain do?
Sent a rocket.
Spain sent a rocket, yes. Where did they send the rocket to? To space.
Space.
Okay. Done. Finished?
Yes.
Good. Now I'm going to stop. I'm going to go back to the pictures now. Daisy, you are going to tell us the different things you know about those 4 topics. About the eclipse, about the drone, the Pokemon, and Spain. So let's go to the first one. And tell us, Daisy, what is this eclipse?
An eclipse is when the moon is between the earth and the sun. We should not look at the eclipse directly because it could damage our eyes. If you want to see the solar eclipse, you should wear the special glasses. This drone could hold the heavy things. This drone could used for delivery, aid, or construction companies.
What is construction?
Construction is the building.
Construction is building things.
Building things. Someone sold those old Pokemon cards and raised $50,000. Spain sent a rocket to space.
Alright, good. Those were our articles for today. Daisy, you summarized them well. Is there anything you want to ask me or tell me?
If you could do U&A and you could choose from Invention Convention Club and telling news, broadcasting, and drama and electronic, what will you choose?
I would choose the news broadcasting. Because I like the news and it's fun to find new news, it's fun to tell the news, so that's what I would choose. I am very shy to do drama. I think you are brave to do drama. Daisy, what are you going to do now after this class?
Homework.
What kind of homework do you have?
Math academy homework and school homework. School homework.
Daisy, why don't you finish the homework in class?
I almost finished, but I think like English homework is very many.
Finish it in the classroom, and then when you go to home, you can just enjoy it.
But today we didn't have homeroom and we needed to do the writing that Chinese words.
Oh, so you still need to do that. That's also part of your homework, writing the Chinese words. Well, you can finish that in 10 minutes. 10
10
minutes?
minutes?
Yeah.
Mm,
How long do you think?
20 minutes.
No, 20 minutes is 2 pages.
Then I will set the timer on 10 minutes and
Let's see, what is that? I thought that was your phone.
10 minutes here, 10 minutes.
What is that? Is that your phone or is that a timer?
Yeah.
It's
Phone.
Is that a real phone? It's so cute.
It
What is it? Is it a Samsung? Is it a LG? What is it?
is I think SK Telecom.
SK Telecom. Good. Daisy, you look very tired, so I'm going to let you go, finish your homework and get some rest, okay?
Okay.
I will see you next week, Daisy. Have a nice weekend camping.
Bye bye.
Bye.